So just let me let you go through the schedule. All right, so there are only 3 movements that we are going to do. Devil press, snatch, mountain climbers, and it's an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 10 minutes. All right, Sugandh, I'll tell you your movements. Let me tell them one by one. Okay, so Deepa, Mukund, the first movement is a devil press. I want you to practice it before you start the workout, because both the movements, devil press and snatch, are very high on energy. I don't want you to lose the posture and then hurt yourself. Okay, so just what you've done it before, I'm revising it for you. So keep the dumbbell in the center. All right, now here bend down. So when you bend down, one thing to notice is back is absolutely straight. I should not see anyone doing this. You will hurt your back. Back here, bend your knees. All right, from here, take your legs back. And when you take your legs back, you're in firm plank. Don't do this. Firm plank. Okay. Then bring your legs forward and lift the dumbbells straight up. Now, when you lift the dumbbells straight up, another pointer that you're not going to do this. All right. The dumbbell is lifted up straight till here. Okay. Not here ever. All right, unless I tell you in some particular movement. Okay, so that's your movement. Just practice 5 of these. Sugandh, what you will be doing is, you will be doing one hand thruster, half. Okay, so you are here. Just do half thrusters like this, 10 on each side. Let's go for it. Just try 5 right now. Practice the movement. Both the hands. Lift the dumbbells with both the hands. That's for Mukund and Deepa. Yes, good. I can't see Deepa with this angle of camera. Either you can try placing the camera somewhere. Maybe place it on the floor. Is it already on the floor? Yes, this is better. This is better. Yes, better view. Okay, all right. The next movement is your DB snatch. Okay, again, let me point things for you. Legs are shoulder length apart. One hand stretched out. Knees soft to begin with. Never lock your knees. Knees soft. Now from here you bend down just this much. Chest is out. Don't do this. Alright. You need to look up. Bend down halfway. Up and up. Down. You need to pull and up. So this pull movement should be there. Don't lift straight dumbbell up. Alright. You need to pull it and up. Alright. And Sugandh, for you it is half snatches. So you will not bend down too much. You just go here, pull and up. Just go here, pull and up. Alright. Let's try this movement, everyone. Mukund, Deepa, I can't see both of you now. You can log in from your phone, Deepa. Earlier angle I could see Mukund. So possible? Unmute yourself, Mukund.
Yeah, Deepa is bringing her laptop.
Yeah, that will be better. I mean, you can be maybe she doesn't need to see much, but I need to see both of you. All
The
right.
place where we keep the laptop is all covered, so that we'll find some other
Okay.
place. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. All right. The next movement is mountain climbers. Let's practice that. Yes, you can practice, Mukund, the snatch. Okay, Sugandh, you will be doing incline mountain climbers. All right. You will be doing against the bed. All right. Like this. You can go slow. Mukund, you will be going fast in a plank. All right. In a plank and as fast as possible. Let's try that. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay. All right. Let's get ready. Once Deepa is ready, we will start the workout. Okay. All right. Yes. Slightly tilt this angle towards Deepa, Mukund. Slightly, yeah. This one towards Deepa. Slightly more. Slightly more. Okay, perfect. All right. Now, let's begin with the workout. Now, you know, everything is 10. Okay. So, you have 10 devil press, this movement, okay, and then 10 snatches on each side, all right, and then 10 mountain climbers on each leg, all right. That is the workout. 10 minutes AMRAP. You will be hitting at least 3 rounds, and anything beyond 5 is a good score. All right, beyond 5 is an excellent score rather. So 3 is minimum, 4 is good, like that. Okay, I'm going to switch on my stopwatch. First is devil press. Sugandh, for you, half thrusters. Start. Yes, count remains 10. Yes, very good. Yes, Sugandh, start with snatches if you're done with devil press. Very good. Yes, make sure when you go down in the snatch, the entire body is in one straight line. Don't let it tilt. Yes. Good. 10 on each side. Yes, very good, Sugandh. Then 10 mountain climbers. If you're done, 10 snatches on each side. Take your time. Yes, 10 each side mountain climbers. Yes, so time wise we are at 1 minute and 45 seconds. Devil press is the most challenging movement here. And of course, but mountain climbers is challenging, but then the count is less, so it is doable. Yes, very good, Deepa, very nice. Carry on, excellent. Yes, so when you're lifting, your hand should not go out, it should go right above the shoulder. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, very nice. Three minutes up. So after one set, you should ideally take some breather and then do the next set faster. That should be the way movements should be. So body does tend to get into the rhythm, but the benefit of HIIT is always like short bursts of energy with intervals. Yes, very good, Mukund, very nice. Carry on. Yes, Sugandh, now you rest for 1 minute. Don't start, rest. Okay, have water, rest. Yes, very nice, Mukund, very good. Yes, excellent, Deepa. Yes, so we are more than halfway through. Almost 6 minutes are up, 4 more minutes to go. Yes, Sugandh, you can resume. Do one set and then rest, okay? Do rest more. Very nice, Deepa, very good. Okay, let's target 2 more rounds. Let's go for it. Yes, Deepa, resume. Yes, Sugandh, rest.
I did 4 rounds.
Now you rest, Sugandh. Don't push yourself. 2 minutes are left for the timer to end. Yes, Sugandh, you can keep walking inside your room. Yes, last 1.5 minutes. Sugandh, are you counting your steps in the day?
Wow.
Hmm.
I did.
So start doing that. Set half an hour for yourself. Walk inside the room. You don't
No,
need
yeah,
to
I
go out.
walk. I
हाँ, you
walk
walk ना. ठीक है. तो
on a
minimum
terrace.
5,000 steps आपके होने चाहिए दिन में.
Okay.
ओके, जस्ट कीप अ स्टेप काउंटर. ऐप आती है, फ्री एप्स आती है
Yeah,
कई
yeah,
में.
yeah.
वॉच होगी आपके पास तो, है
Yeah,
ना? हाँ
वो
हाँ.
Apple Watch है.
So monitor that and let me know
Hmm.
that if you are comfortable doing that. ठीक है, वॉक करनी
Yeah,
है घर में.
now, yeah, I'm comfortable. अभी
हम्म.
तक की तो है.
हाँ,
Okay.
एंड ट्राई स्टेपिंग आउट इन द मॉर्निंग आवर्स. डेंगू बहुत फैला हुआ है तो मत जाना, ठीक है?
नहीं, मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. यहाँ
हाँ
यूपी में
हाँ, घर
बहुत
के
फैला
अंदर
है.
ही करो.
यहाँ
हाँ
बहुत ज्यादा है.
हाँ. सो घर के अंदर ही आप वॉक करो और अपडेट मी कि आपके 5,000 स्टेप्स होते हैं, आपको कंफर्टेबल फील होता है.
ओके,
ठीक है?
ओके.
ओके, लास्ट 40 सेकेंड्स.
Meg, we can't hear you. Has it 10 minutes done?
No, 15 seconds are left. I said last 40 seconds. Not able to, okay. All right. Yes, very good, Deepa. You should finish it off. Very nice. Okay, Mukund, finish off your mountain climbers, though we are through with our 10 minutes. Okay, well done. So how many? 5 rounds? 5, good. Deepa, you as well?
No, I was on my 4th one.
That's good.
But
So you finished your 4th.
No, बीच में skip हुआ था.
No problems, no problem. That's fine. Okay, all right. Now let's move to the strength and conditioning part. Bring your resistance band, longer one. Okay, so just first is your hamstrings that we will be working on. So hamstring muscle is at the back of your leg. This is your hamstring muscle. So it's a group of muscle, but just for understanding, we'll call it hamstrings. Okay. Now the first movement is your leg curl. The upcoming workout is not going to be very strenuous on the cardio, so you can watch and rest in the meanwhile. Okay. Now curl in your, so lie down first. Okay. Now from here what you need to do is, you need to curl in your band across your feet. Okay. Sugandh, I'll alter the movement for you. Let me show it to others. Hold the band firmly like this. Okay. This is your position, starting position. Body neutral. Okay. Now from here, lift the band up, your leg up, curl it full. Okay, and then again bring it down. Now, depending on how much resistance you need, you can increase the resistance by pulling the band further or by holding the band from slightly down. Alright, I'll let you choose. So, you are here, pull the leg, curl it, alright, as much as possible. So, when you curl it, you should still feel the resistance, okay? Band should not be loose here. You should still feel the resistance. And push it back. Okay, now watch the tempo. Curl, pause, push it back. Curl, pause, push it back. Alright, got it? Yes? Sugandh, how you will be doing is, tie a smaller band. You can start, Deepa Mukund, you can start this workout. Sugandh, what you will be doing is, tie a smaller band here. Alright. Okay, and no, smaller band won't work. Let me just show it to you with the bigger band. You also tie a bigger band, loop it around your feet, hold it like this. Be on all fours. Instead of lying down, be on all fours. Now from here, take it out. Now increase or decrease the resistance as much as you need. So you take it out. Okay, then curl it. Just let me come forward and show you. Okay, so you are here. Okay, curl it and bring it out. Curl it and bring it out. Okay, got it? Yes? Let's try that. Once we try, we get to know what we are doing. 10 on each side and we do 2 sets. Yes, very nice. So now this is for you to understand whether you are feeling the resistance while you are curling. If you are not, you need to increase the resistance. But I can feel from here, I can, as much as I can view. Yes, 10 on each leg. Deepa, try curling more. Curling more. You don't need to increase the resistance. So bring your feet further closer. Yes, heel closer. Very nice. Now go back. Yes, Sugandh, let's try that. 10 on each side and 2 sets of it, okay? Yes, Sugandh, slightly decrease the resistance so that your leg can be straight. पहले leg को straight करो. हाँ, अब इसको curl करो. Yeah, there you go. Yes, 10 counts, yes. So you don't need to rest in between because it's a one leg workout. You can do one leg, then the other, then again the first leg and then the other. Do 2 sets. But make sure you do feel your hamstring flexing, all right, when you curl it. Yes. Sugandh, slightly take your leg up. Yes, good. So Sugandh, be watchful. You can reduce the number of counts, okay? If you feel it is tiring, reduce the counts. Yes, very nice.
Wait, can you show it once more, please?
Yes. Yes. So I'll show you a back view, all right, or a front view maybe. So you are here.
वही देखती हूँ मैं। मुझे लगा था उसने नहीं
All
बोला था।
right. Now entwine it, hold the band from wherever you feel you're getting the resistance. You are here, okay? Now from here, curl and bring it down. Now I can increase the resistance by just holding the band from down more or just pulling it up like this, okay? So I increase my resistance. Now from here again, curl it, all right, and bring it down. Now what I want you to do is curl it as much as possible. And when you reach here, there should still be a resistance. The band should not be loose. Okay, when you curl it, there should be a resistance. And then again, bring it down. All
So
right.
my hand should not move.
Hand will not move. So if you want to move it when you increase the resistance, slightly you can, but you should be in a position where you have resistance. So see, when you do this, there is a resistance. Okay, you don't need to keep moving it like this. All right. What I'm saying is, when you reach here, there should be a resistance. If you don't feel in the first count, you can slightly increase it. But try not moving your hand. So the movement goes like this. Okay. Yes. All right. Yes, very good. Yes, Sugandh, leg slightly up. You can reduce the resistance, Sugandh, but try keeping the leg straight. Okay, if you are done, you can get up, take a walk. Yes, 2 sets. 2 sets only. Okay. Alright. Now, let's watch what we are going to do next. We are going to do deadlifts. Sugandh, you will also be doing this. Okay, now loop in your band. So this is the loop of your band. Put your feet here, legs shoulder length apart. Now hold the band from up, okay? Increase the resistance, decrease the resistance as per your comfort, okay? So I'm holding the band from the top. All right, this is the movement. Now, first to begin with, what you do is you go down in the deadlift. Okay. Now, when you go down in the deadlift, there should be enough resistance. Okay, the band should not be loose. All right. Now, from here, pull it up and down. Now, when you go down, chest remains out, knees are bent. Okay. Yes. Watch it. Don't do this. All right. Chest remains out. Now, from here, up and down and up. All right, yes. So legs are shoulder length apart, toes pointing straight on the band. Hold the band like this and up. Yes, Sugandh, you will also be doing this. Sugandh, you will not go down too much, but half up jaoge niche. Okay, this will strengthen your core. Okay, start. 10 counts. 2 sets again. Yes, so understanding your own body is very important here. Yes, Deepa, try to bend your back more rather than squatting more. Okay, don't squat too much. Hands pehle straight karo. So see, watch, do it along with me. So you are here. Okay, now from here, straighten your arms. Straighten your arms, bend down, straighten your arms. Okay, now from here, lift yourself up. Straighten your arms, no curve in the loop, in the your elbow. Slightly soft, but don't bend it. Yes. Down and up. Yes. And up. Yes. Good. 10 counts. Yes. So then try it. Yes. Deepa, you are going down from the knees too much. Don't bend the knees so much. Alright, thoda sa karoge bend, like you will bend it, but you are squatting more. Yes, this is fine. Yes, come back up. Good. Yes, very good, Sugandh. Very nice. 10 counts and rest 15 seconds and we do another set. Yes, rest 15 seconds of rest, not much here. Yes. Okay. Let's try the second set now. Yes, start whenever you're ready. 2 sets is all we do, but make sure you know the movement. You can see it working. So you might feel the resistance is not too much, it is easy and whatever. So, but that is not the case with resistance band. So it is giving you a pull when you're going down as well and when you're pushing up as well, unlike dumbbells. Okay, so that is the reason that it is a force against your pull and against your bending down as well. Mukund, legs wider, slightly wider, not too close, yes. Slightly more wide if you can, yes. Yes, yes, let's go for it. Good. Okay, all right. Okay. The next movement is a single leg deadlift. All right. And again, the same principle that we just did. Sugandh, you will also be doing it. But Sugandh, I will tell you what one change you will be bringing. Let me show it for others. Okay. Now loop in your band. Okay. This is the loop of your band. Hold the band like this. Okay. Now from here to begin with, how do you all know what a single leg deadlift is? Now to begin with, I want you to be in the ending position first, so that you know that you can still feel the resistance of the band here. Okay, it should not be loose. Alright. Now from here, lift up and down. Lift up and down. Let's watch it from the side, the single leg deadlift. So you go down, again chest is out, knee is bent and up without resting the leg. Down and up. Now Sugandh, what you will be doing is, watch it. So you bend down halfway through. Don't lift the back leg too much up. इसको थोड़ा नीचे ही रखो ताकि आपका balance out ना हो. And when you come back, you rest the leg. Okay. Again, go down this much and rest. Alright, this is for Sugan. Alright, start. 10 on each. Yes. Deepa, slightly step back with the camera angle. I'm not able to see your movement. Slightly step back more. Yes, fine, fine. Yes, let's go for it. Yes, good, fair enough. Yeah, so one thing more with the deadlifts, what you can do is, like, if here is your band, you can hold both the ends also like that. Okay, you don't need to hold it and curl it and hold it. You can hold it from like here also and do the deadlift. Hold two ends together. All right, you can do it just as per your comfort. So it's the same thing only. It's just how you want to hold it. Maybe from the top or maybe two ends together. Both are correct. Yes. Deepa, try balancing yourself when you come up. Don't drop the leg down. That should be your goal. Yes, very good. Pause there when you go down. Give it a pause. Go down. Bend your knees. No, no. You're keeping your legs straight. Take a break. Take a breather. Then start. Okay, so you need to bend the knee. It is same as deadlift, just that we are doing it against one leg now. You need to bend the leg that is in front. Okay. Leave the band, Deepa, leave the band. Band is very secondary. Okay, if your muscles are tired, that is the reason you are not able to hold it. So, leave the band. What you need to do is go down, bend and come back up. Just watch it from the side. Go down, you need to bend your knees. Okay, and come back up. Yes. 2 sets done. Yes, so go and try keeping your elbows straight, arms straight. नीचे से पकड़ लो बैंड को, but arms straight रखो. Okay, relax, relax. 10 counts and each leg and 2 sets. Yes, good. Okay, walk a bit. Yes, that's fine, Deepa, relax. Okay. Alright, the next movement is for the calves. Let me just show it to you. So again, loopen your legs, alright, your feet. Now, difference here is that the band is more towards the heel than the front foot. Okay, थोड़ा सा पीछे रहेगा band, alright. And just hold it like this, hold the band like this. Now from here, lift up your heels, pause and down. Lift up your heels, pause and down. All this while you will be adding, you will not be changing the resistance. So don't do this when you lift up, you kind of increase the resistance. Hands remain constant. Okay. Lift up, pause and down. Lift up, pause and down. So when you pause, that is where you are flexing, and with the resistance band, you are adding the resistance to your calves. Up, pause and down. Yes. Let's go for it. Again 10 counts, and we do 2 sets of this. Yes. Start. Yes. Lift up your heels, pause and down. Yes. Very good. Yes. Feel your calves flexing when you are up. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good tempo as well. Good. Okay, 15 seconds of rest, 15-20 seconds, whatever you feel like. Sugandh, are you fine? Okay, fine. All right. Okay. Start second set whenever you are ready. So pausing when you go up is very important. Just give it a pause. 1, pause, down. 2, pause, down. Yes. Lift up as high also as possible. You might feel the band slipping away. That's fine. You can keep adjusting it. But make sure you lift up your heels as high as possible. Very nice. Good, good, good. Okay. If you are done 2 sets, sit down with your band. Next movement is for the shin strengthening. Shins and calves as well. Okay. Now, some very ignored parts of the body, the shins, the calves. Alright. Just let me lower my camera and you know. Okay. Now, what you are going to do is entwine your bands. Okay. Entwine your band, one end of your band like this. Okay. Hold the band from here. As much as resistance as you can take. Okay. Chest out, back straight. Don't hunch and sit like this. Okay. Now, from here, what you need to do is pull in, pull out. In, out. Okay. In, out. All this while you are adding a resistance here, and what is happening is it is a shin strengthening exercise when you do this, and when you take it out, it is when you flex your calves. Alright, in and out. Let's go for it. 10 counts and 3 sets. You need to really pull in your feet. Okay, you need to make that force, pull in and pull out. And when you pull out, you should feel the band resistance against the out force as well. Yes. So in is mostly on your own. We are not adding a resistance there because the band position, we are holding it in the opposite direction. When you do it out, that is where you are pressing the, pushing against the resistance force. Yes. Very nice. In and out. Again 2 sets of it. Take your time doing it. So this is going to help you in your running as well, Mukundipa. So people often complain of shin pains and all that. We often ignore strengthening our shins. We strengthen the big muscles, the glutes, the other muscle group, but then shins is something which needs to be looked at. Yes. Yes, pull in, out. Yes, very good. Very nice. Yes, so Sugan, these are non-impact exercises which you can do on your own also, like especially for the calves and shins. Okay, that will keep your body strong as well. And then walk is there, which you can. Otherwise, don't do exercises without supervision. All right. Yes, good. Okay. You can rest after one set. Yeah, done 2 sets, then you can get up and take a walk. We are through with our workout here.